Apliiq is a custom apparel platform that integrates with Shopify, allowing you to create and sell unique, personalized clothing. Here's how to use Apliiq with Shopify. Sign up for Apliiq. First, go to the Apliiq website and create an account. Once signed up, you'll be able to design custom apparel and sync your store with Shopify. Connect Apliiq to Shopify. After creating your Apliiq account, log in and navigate to the integrations section in your Apliiq dashboard. Follow the instructions to connect your Shopify store with your Apliiq account. This involves installing the Apliiq app from the Shopify App Store. Design your products. Once connected, you can use Apliiq's design tools to customize apparel. You can choose from a wide range of styles and embellishments, such as embroidery, fabric applications, and custom prints. Create and save your designs on Apliiq. Sync products with Shopify. After designing your products, you can sync them directly to your Shopify store. These products will appear in your Shopify catalog as individual listings. Manage orders. When a customer places an order, Apliiq automatically fulfills it and ships the product directly to the customer. You can manage and track the entire process through your Shopify admin dashboard.